Yorana, have you ever been to Tahiti and heard the Tahitians refer to themselves as the Polynesians? Well, they're not wrong, are they? They are part of Polynesia. Let's see, Hawaii, Tahiti, New Zealand, Samoa, Fiji, Tonga, and so on. They're all part of Polynesia, right? But why do Tahitians refer to themselves simply as Polynesians? Well, let's go way back. I learned that the original navigators, as they were navigating the Pacific Islands for the first time, came across the Marquesan Islands, the Tuamotu Islands, the Tahitian Islands, and then on to all the other Polynesian islands, Tahiti, Samoa, New Zealand. But as they were coming to these islands for the very first time, there was nobody there. They were the only people. So imagine yourself back in that time traveling on these big canoes, these big va'as, right? Across the Pacific Ocean, a huge ocean where nothing around you but water. You believed you were the only people, right? Because every island you came to, there was nobody. You were the only people. And as you would leave people on island to island, those were your people, right? Those were the original people, Polynesians. So Tahitians see all of Polynesia as part of one brotherhood, one community of Polynesians. So they're not wrong, are they? They are Polynesian, and they hold that idea of community and of oneness, and the idea that everybody came from one group of Māuhi people, the Polynesians. So if you hear them refer to themselves as Polynesians and not Tahitians, well, now you know why.